Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the rust around the wheel arches of your car. We're going to start with some 40 grit sandpaper and remove as much rust as possible and get down to the bare metal. As for the hole that's been left behind, we're going to use a body patch which we're going to bend from behind and place into shape. We're now going to use our fiberglass paste. A good rule of thumb is a golf ball size of paste to a piece size of hardener. The goal when spreading the body filler is to fill the hole and make it as flat as possible. Once it becomes hard, we're going to sand it down with some 80 grit sandpaper. Once the sanding is complete, we're going to use a lightweight body filler. This will be mixed the same way as the previous filler. With this next filler, you want to spend a lot more time getting the shape right. Our next step is to sand it down. First I'm going to use a 80 grit sandpaper and then a 180 grit sandpaper to remove any scratches. Next we're going to use some 1K stopper to cover any imperfections. Next we're going to apply 2 coats of primer. The first coat's going to go on quite light and the second coat's going to go on a lot heavier. Once the primer is nice and dry, we're going to move on to the wet sanding. We're going to use 800 grit sandpaper. We're now going to move on and do 3 coats of base paint. We're now going to finish off with the clear coat. And that's it guys, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video.